Excited about the incredible abilities of IPMCs as smart materials, we delved into their actuation behavior using platinum electrodes and Nafion 117 polymer, predicting their behavior accurately for diverse applications. Understanding how displacement changes with length under varying voltage levels is crucial for grasping material behavior under electrical influence, aiding in fields like material science and mechanical engineering. The visual representation of displacement variations with length under different voltage conditions in the graph helps in comprehending the sensitivity of materials to voltage changes, essential for designing sensors and electromechanical systems. The graph depicting the relationship between displacement and length at different voltage levels provides insights into material properties under electrical loads, aiding in fields like materials science and mechanical engineering for designing components with specific displacement requirements. Exploring the actuation behavior of IPMCs with specific electrodes and polymer, utilizing experimental and simulation methods, has enabled accurate prediction of behavior for various applications. For more details, visit SciSpace.